So the IRS Voluntary Disclosure Program was originally created about a little over 10 years ago for foreign bank accounts and foreign assets in terms of self-reporting them to avoid or lower penalties and interest. What they've announced just a couple months ago is that they are allowing reporting of cryptos and or NFTs into the Voluntary Disclosure Program, which means if you haven't been contacted by the IRS yet and you come forward, no matter how many years you're late, if you come to them before they come to you, you could potentially get all the penalties and interest waived on your crypto transactions, NFT sales, all the stuff you haven't reported. You could potentially get the penalties and interest lowered or waived. So I definitely suggest if you have unreported, even if, whether it's just crypto and NFT assets and or the actual transactions, I highly recommend speaking to a tax accountant or tax attorney about potentially applying for the program. So people ask me, what's the downside to not applying for the Voluntary Disclosure Program? And it's a pretty big downside because what happens is if they find your foreign bank account, foreign asset, crypto account, NFT account, if they find it before you come to them, then the penalties can be up to 50% of your account balance, or if it's crypto NFT, 50% of the current value of the account, which is payable in US dollars, not cryptos and NFTs, and or prosecution and jail time. So the downside is quite steep, as you can imagine. So that's why I say definitely at least have the conversation and possibly engage an accountant and or attorney and apply for the program. Better late than never.